Good morning class 8th. Dear student, today I am going to start chapter 3 of geography. In this chapter, we shall discuss about minerals and power resources. First of all, you know what is minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments. Under varying conditions, they are created by natural processes without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. You know what is mineral? Mineral is a natural occurring substance. Now about the types of mineral. Now there are over 3000 different minerals on the basis of composition. Minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Like this. Look at this. Minerals, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic, ferrous and non-ferrous. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples of iron ore are some examples of metallic minerals. Now non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Limestone, mica and gypsum are examples of some minerals. The minerals, fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining, the process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining, and drilling, deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. After that, quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Dear students, you have studied about the minerals. Now about power resources. Power or energy plays a vital role in our daily lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. What is conventional sources? Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time, like firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. Now, non-conventional sources. The increasing use of fossil fuels is leading to its shortage. Therefore, there is need for environmental pollution. So we have to use non-conventional sources. Non-conventional sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, which are renewable.